I want to tell you something most people don't talk about. I didn't learn English in a classroom. I didn't learn it with friends. I learned it alone. Not because I wanted to be alone, but because I was ashamed. Ashamed of my accent. Ashamed of my mistakes. Ashamed of how slow I was. If you were learning English in silence, this story is for you. Chapter 1. Learning in Secret. Every night when everyone was asleep, I put my headphones on. Low volume, very low. I didn't want anyone to hear English coming from my phone. I felt stupid listening to basic videos. How are you? My name is. I thought, why am I learning like a child? But deep inside, I knew something important. Children learn languages because they are not afraid. Chapter 2. My brain was tired. At the beginning, English was exhausting. I listened for 5 minutes and my brain wanted to quit. New sounds, new rhythm, new way of thinking. I paused videos often, not to translate, but to breathe. I realized learning a language is not about intelligence, it's about patience. Chapter 3. The same content again and again. I didn't watch many videos. I watched the same ones. The same story, the same podcast, the same sentences. At first, it was boring. Then it became familiar. Then it became comfortable. One day, I finished a video and thought, I know what he's going to say next. That's when I understood. Repetition is not weakness, it's power. Chapter 4. Talking to the Mirror. One morning, I looked at myself in the mirror, and I spoke, slowly, carefully. I am not confident, but I am learning. It felt strange, unnatural, but I did it again the next day, and the next. My accent didn't disappear, but my fear started to disappear. Chapter 5. The days I wanted to quit. Some days were terrible. I listened and understood nothing. I felt stupid again. I told myself, after all this time, why am I still bad? Those days were dangerous because quitting feels logical when you are tired. But I didn't quit. I reduced the time. I listened for 10 minutes only, and that was enough. Chapter 6. Small Signs of Growth. Growth didn't come like a miracle. It came quietly. Understanding one sentence, recognizing one word, smiling during a video. No fireworks, no celebration, just progress. Chapter 7. My first real conversation. One day, someone spoke to me in English. My heart started racing. I wanted to escape, but I stayed. I didn't speak perfectly. I didn't speak fast, but I spoke, and the person understood me. That night, I couldn't sleep, not because I was scared, but because I was proud. Chapter 8. Thinking in English. In a random moment, everything changed. I was walking, and a thought came to my mind. In English. I stopped. I smiled. That's when I knew English was no longer foreign. It was becoming part of me. Final message. If you are learning English alone, in silence, with fear, I want you to know this. You are not weak. You are brave. Learning quietly is still learning. Learning slowly is still learning. One day, people will hear your English. But before that, you must believe in it.